So you love your Chinese takeaway, or maybe you like your spicy sauces. Well, I'm going to show you how to make that Chinese takeaway curry sauce at home. Stay tuned.
Average.
First, we're going to need to chop up some ginger and a small onion. Now you're going to want to put your ginger and your onions separate. Now with your onions, you can chop them to chunks if you like. It's all about personal preference. Now we have these separated, let's move on. Now we need to make the stock of the sauce. I like to use chicken stock. You need 400ml chicken stock or 3/4 of a pint chicken stock. You can use other stocks if you wish. 2 tablespoons soy sauce. And a tablespoon of Worcester sauce. That out of the way, we can add our dry ingredients to the ginger. So what you're going to need is 30 grams of flour or 2 tablespoons. 3 teaspoons of curry powder. Half a teaspoon of cumin. Half a teaspoon coriander. Mix that all in. Now, our dry ingredients are ready. Now that's all ready, let's season our onions and get them on the fryer. Also, you're going to need 2 tablespoons of yoghurt to set aside for later. So we're going to need a medium heat, a little bit of butter. You can use butter or oil. And that's all heated up, let's add our onions. Now we want to fry our onions until they've softened a little bit, so for about 2 minutes. So now these have softened a bit, we're going to add our dry ingredients with ginger. Mix that in well. Now that's mixed in, let's add our stock. Give that a little stir. Now it's time to add our yoghurt. 2 tablespoons. We let this simmer for 5 to 10 minutes on a low heat. Now that's done, let's serve it up. So that's it finished. Now mine's gone a bit darker because I used a darker stock, but if you have a lighter stock it should turn bright yellow. Let's have a taste. That's delicious. You can use this sauce with anything you want. Personally, I like it with chips, but I do sometimes have it as a stir-fry sauce as well. But you can use it anytime you want, just for dipping anything you want in. But it's a really nice sauce. You can also add more spice to your own taste. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you try this out for yourself. Please stay tuned for more videos coming. I've been 100% Average. Catch you next time.
100% Average.